Hi guys, this is Mark Shaw's in the Pattern Trader, and recently we've had a flood of reviews. I guess people love me when I make them money. You're a fickle group, but certainly appreciate all the great support and great comments that we've had recently on our review website. Just before I dig into today's topic, I want to read you one of the testimonials that was recently posted on the review website. This was from Chris K. Chris says, I've been trading for 7 years now and have done the rounds of different Forex educations and mentorships. And Mark's way of reading the market is like no other. No playing with small time frames, effective and to the point teaching, easy to follow, makes everything seem so simple. I've followed Mark for a couple of years and recently joined his elite program and looking forward to many more profitable years. So Chris, I'm glad that you've been raking it in recently, and really thank you for posting those very nice comments on our review website. And again, if you want to check out the review website, it's thepatterntrader.com/reviews. Now, you know, again, I've been trading for 3+ decades, and it never ceases to amaze me how events conspire to take the market where it was already going. And what I mean is, if you look at the US dollar index chart, this is a 45-year chart. So irrespective of this recent 2-3 month phenomenon, this health crisis we've been in, the US dollar index has been pointing a direction for 45 years. And namely, it's been kind of trading within this long-term descending triangle. And you can see, notwithstanding the fact that we've had a 10-year bull run, a 10-year bull market in the US dollar from 2010 to current 2020, the US dollar has been on a tear, taking the euro down from 160 all the way to 105. But now I think, consistent with what we're looking on that long-term pattern, that the dollar is going to reverse. You can see that it's made a double top price pattern. This indicates a formidable resistance along a formidable long-term resistance line. And it's my contention that the US dollar is now going to turn lower. And again, all of the events in the background by virtue of Corona, the US Federal Reserve flooding the market to inflate every asset category, is going to have ramifications for the dollar. And I think it will provide a lot of weight on top of the US dollar index, meaning the dollar index is going to be pointing lower. And one of the things that we can see from the dollar index, once the dollar picks a direction, it goes in that direction for 3, 5, 8, 10 years. So I think we're just starting on this reversal lower in the dollar, that we're going to see the dollar go lower for quite some time. And I do believe that the primary pair that will be the beneficiary of this dollar decline is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Now, I've included a recent chart where you see a huge double top on the weekly trading time frame. What I haven't shown you is the long-term patterns which have always pointed to dollar yen going lower. So I do think that as the dollar starts making its descent, the dollar yen will be a beneficiary to those who are short dollar yen at current levels around 107. I think you're going to see this thing a lot lower, and perhaps a lot lower in a hurry. So this is where I'm focused on. I think the yen is going to strengthen across the board since the yen is in the second position on most trading pairs. When I say the yen is going to strengthen, I mean the yen trading pairs are going to go lower. I know that may be confusing for some of you first-time Forex traders, but again, I think dollar-yen pairs and the yen pairs are going to go lower. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I'll see you next time.